Okay, today we're evaluating the 2011 to 2017 Ford Explorer. This particular vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 in it, and we're evaluating the MRT axle back. And this particular system has resonated mufflers in play, and this is called our Interceptor version. Let's go take it for a spin. So just off of idle in park, we have a good performance sound. It's a deep note, not obnoxious, not overly loud. This would be more of a mature performance sound. So just doing mild driving, kind of like around town simulation. Again, we have exhaust noise that is now present, but it's not overwhelming, not overbearing in any way. It does have a nice deep performance sound. Now we're going to pop up on the highway and get a feel for what wide open throttle sounds like. Alright, so now we're up at highway speeds or a little more. And this car does have a cold air induction on it, so we have a little more induction noise under wide open throttle than normal. But good performance sound, definitely sounds like we're coming to get you. Accelerates well. Steady state on the highway, going 2200 RPM. I'm hearing wind noise, tire noise, no drone whatsoever. Nice comfortable drive. So if you're looking for a system that you can drive all day anywhere, have a performance sound around town and accelerating, this is a real good choice. It's a good compromise between all of the different elements of an exhaust. Constructed of 304 stainless steel, I would rate this system at the performance of a 6 or 7 out of 10. Drone, probably a 1, which is negligible. Pretty much can't identify drone. And the get noticed, definitely I would say you're at a